Hello everyone, I'm Amar and I am back with another scope, so parent Periscope. Welcome if you're just watching. If you're just here, if you're here for the first time, welcome. I'm just a regular guy. Hello Logan, you're back. And yes, you can see that my hair is short now. Okay, so now, okay Logan, so first of all, I'm not doing this for the first time. I've done it a lot and I'm pretty much a regular user of the deep slash dark web, but today I wanted to explore it using Periscope, so let's do it. And it's not that bad really. If you're careful, it's not really that bad, so just be careful and it's easy. Okay, so I'm gonna switch my camera now. And okay, so the hidden wiki is right in front of me. And okay, so let's go through this. First of all, these are just normal. Okay, so those head chopping videos are really available, but I don't really go specifically to find those. Whenever I'm bored, I just explore the deep web, and it's pretty amazing actually. It's not only, there's two differences. There's a deep web and there's a dark web. What you're talking about is the dark web, and I'm going to explore is going to the deep web. There may be a lot of drugs and a lot of other things, but you can be careful and you can still be safe, so it's not much of a problem. And you can pretty much see whole list. So this is the main list. No, I do not buy anything. It's just interesting to me to explore it. It's pretty fun if you've ever done it. And so anyway, I'm just gonna explore it, man. Yeah, you can hire hitmen, you can do anything, and I am gonna explore it right now. So let's start. Okay, so let me first choose the website. Okay, so first of all, okay, so search engine, mirror, we do not need any of these. Okay, so financial services, forum type, marketplace. Okay, no. Okay, so anyone want to buy PayPal accounts? Let's go to PayPal. Okay, so most of these sites do require you to, well, I don't know why, but they require you to register. But let's see, let's remember. Okay, so the PayPal sent, grab a few cents from the rich. Welcome to the greatest place on Tor. Okay, we are at the greatest place on Tor, people. New accounts have arrived today. Feel free to look. Sure. Of course I'm using Tor, man. Why would I access the deep web without Tor? I'm using Tor. No explaining of yourself. We have made this service automatic and it is here 24/7. Okay, please read the FAQ first. I really don't care about the FAQ, but I do not really know what this site is about, so I'm gonna read the FAQ first. Let's see. We're a small group. Okay, so I'll be. Okay, so a small group of hackers who are just hacking PayPal accounts. And Softpedia wrote, someone's gonna find my IP. I have double masked my IP. I'm using a VPN and I'm also using IP masking and a DNS change. So I doubt that's gonna happen. I'm pretty careful when I'm doing this, so don't worry. Okay, let's see. What will I get for my money? A working PayPal account with the desired balance on it. A matching SOCKS 5 proxy server, basic instruction on how to cash it out. Okay, so let's move along. Let's see what they got. Okay, so what do I really do to get started here? I don't really know. Okay, we made this automatic, and how do I start, man? Come on, how do I start? Contact. If you want to contact us for any reason, no, I don't want to contact you. Let's go to the board. Okay, here it is, the board. Woohoo, the amazing board is here. And let's buy something. Okay, so first of all, I have 0 bitcoins in my balance. I have 0 bitcoins. I own no bitcoins at all, so I really can't buy anything here, but I still want to come along. Okay, so this site isn't much interesting to me. It's just a PayPal fraud site. I don't really care. Let's move forward. Okay, prepaid credit cards, risk free. Let's explore this. This may or may not be interesting. I don't really know. It's better than 4chan. Okay, so sorry. There we go. Prepaid debit cards. Cards that we've loaded with from various accounts. Once the funds are loaded onto the prepaid cards, they are secure and only you have access to them, making them risk-free. Okay. So why do I care? Okay, I really don't care. Moving on. Okay, I'm gonna move away from the financial services since they are doing like nothing at all, and I'm gonna go into the commercial services now. Let's see if I can find in here. Oh, okay. This is really interesting to me. Deep fruit, Apple products at a fraction of price. Okay, I'm personally gonna tell you that I've been on the deep web for over a year now, and it's not really scary as the videos might say. Just be careful and take time to mask your IP and hide your identity. So then it's gonna work great. Okay, so let's the Apple Store Deep Fruit. Okay, an iPhone 6 for $369. The most I've seen is there were offers to buy Hitman, and that's. I've never really went into explored the mainly cruelty stuff and animal cruelty stuff, though I'm pretty sure it's available here somewhere. We can find it. It's pretty easy to find. The hidden wiki lists everything, and you can pretty much find. Okay, let me find something. Okay, so most probably it's gonna be in one of the boards. Okay. Okay, so nothing here. Let's move forward. I'm not gonna open any porn or something like that, so let's be careful about that. Other secure PGP key server. No, we don't really. Hack forum, hacking malware. No, let's move forward. High quality notation. Okay, books. We have drugs. Okay, so here you go. People interested in drugs. Okay, so we're just gonna skip the adult and erotica part clearly. Okay, so what you might be talking about, Logan, was this animal cruelty. Like, let me see. I'm really trying to make sure that I do not really land into something that's porn, or actually it's because I need to really save from that. Big cat zombie stories, artbook. Okay, so this I'm gonna try, and don't hate me if it turns out to be something weird. I don't really know myself what it is. So this is how I explore the dark web. I open a link, it leads me to more links, and it leads me to more links, and it leads me to more links, and that's how. Well, people can hack your computer on the surface web too. So I don't see why the deep web is such a big problem. The internet isn't safe, and everyone knows that. So I don't know. Let's move forward. Okay, so I've skipped a lot of stuff. I don't know why. Let's really go back. Okay, so not safe for work stuff. Of course not. We don't really want that. Okay, so high quality green. Hire a hitman. For hitman, I'll have to explore a bit. I'll have to find someone. So let's really move forward first, and we might land into some hitmans. I did once, but I don't really know. I don't really save the sites. I only have one site saved, and that is the hidden wiki, because this is important. And okay, so a few minutes ago, I was on like drugs for you, which is pretty much nothing at all. But let's see. Okay, so anyone wanna go into passports or stuff like that? There are pretty much stuff for that. Okay. Oh, let's try this. This seems pretty okay. So we need sites like the Silk Road right now, because those were awesome. Okay, so Okay, I don't know why, but most of these sites are like useless. And the sites which actually have something, I doubt I can actually open them up using on a live stream on Periscope, because that won't be really. Seriously, it won't be safe for work, and though I doubt anyone from work would be watching me, but still, uh, let's just stay away from stuff like that. Okay, so Wall Street. I don't think anyone uses this much, because there's one forum that is general, and there is one person online, which is probably me. Okay, clone credit cards with PIN codes, Apple and Samsung trusted vendors, fresh PayPal accounts, holograms for Euro bills. Let's move along with this. Okay, so. Okay, so this is pretty much basically an inactive site since no one replied to anything at all. So I don't really know. Okay, so I don't really own a credit card, so let's go into the credit cards website and see what they've got. I hope they've got something interesting. So till now, the deep web has been pretty boring. More boring than the surface web. And I don't know why. Let's see. If it's still boring after a few links, because every interesting thing is not safe for work, I will close it, because then there's no point. Go to the dark web. The dark web is mostly NSFW, and let's not open the NSFW stuff. Okay, these people pay like, don't really waste like even a minute on their websites. Seriously. Yeah, they actually have a complete section for that. See, I'm gonna really show you. I'm not really gonna open it up, but let me show you. Okay, so where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? After books, after drugs. Okay, something here. Okay, so the stuff you were talking about is dark scandals, which show those beheadings and stuff like that, forced videos, but again, not safe for work. So let's really stay away from that. And again, some are nice enough to list it. Where do you work? I don't work anywhere. I go to school. I barely go to school. It's Friday and I'm still skipping. I only went to school one day this week, and that was Tuesday. I don't go Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, or today, which is Friday. But still, okay, so there you go. Young, beautiful, there you go. Okay, so if you're interested, here's a link to Hidden Wiki. If you want, I will DM it to you, because I doubt you can get it like this, so it's pretty complicated. So you can find it on Reddit, so that's not much of a problem. And let's move along. Okay, so interaction points. Okay, so why don't we try a search engine for something that may be interesting? Okay, so spit out. Let's see. Let's find something interesting. So, what do we want? What do we want? What do we want? Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. I don't really want it, but I'm gonna do this just for fun. And I'm gonna type Hitman. And I hope this works, because the unindexed web is pretty hard to really search. Okay, so these crawlers are basically useless, but I'm still gonna open this up. Okay, so there you go. We are at a site called Mesa Hire a Killer or a Hacker. And okay, so took the time to at least, they worked on their website a bit, so that's good. Let's move forward. Okay, so hire a killer or a hitman. There you go, Logan. There are hitmen right here. Let's find out. Okay, so there you go. From 5,000 to $200,000. Why would I spend that much money? Most of these sites, if you've read the complete story about the Silk Route, which was like a tuple series by Wired, which was really long. Like it took me like 2 to 3 hours to read. You'll find out that most of these people are lying. Like they take your money and they don't do anything. So I pretty much just explore the dark web like a net crawler. I don't really do anything here. Okay, so let's read what they guys do. Okay, there are mob members who know how to use computers. Okay. USA, Europe, Japan, China, and other countries. How many countries do they even work in? Seriously, other countries. More. Okay, so when you would shoot someone, that wouldn't be anonymous, right? You could get caught or anything like that could happen. This is anonymous. No one knows who I am except for those who are actually watching the scope. Then everyone knows who I am. But basically, if I order from here, not on the scope, because I'm not gonna like order a hitman live on Periscope. I'm not stupid. I'm not that stupid. I may be stupid. Okay, so we have awesome services. They can kill someone for you. They can beat someone up for you. They can set cars on fire and homes on fire. Okay, so what are these cruel people? Wow, okay. Awesome. So next time I'm angry at a friend. This is what I need to do. I need to open up Besa Mafia and I need to go to their website and I need to spend $5,000 and I'm gonna set that person's house on fire. Done. That's the next plan. Okay, so we can also get unregistered guns. Okay, so I don't know why you need the internet for this. Like, you can actually, this is pretty easily available like locally. Though again, identity is a problem, but still, this is available locally and people do this, so not much. Okay, so let's see. Oh, so ex-military snipers are available. Wow. At 30,000 US dollars. If I had 30,000 US dollars, I would not really be on Periscope right now. At least I would not be on I would be on Periscope, but I would not be on Periscope exploring the deep web. Because I would be out and spending my 30,000 US dollars. Who has 30,000 US dollars to spend on a sniper? There's like a 99% chance who's gonna take your 30,000 and nothing's gonna happen. So, oh wait, found something interesting. Videos! Now, as to what I've explored, the deep web, this would really be a bad thing to do, to open up the videos. But I'm still gonna open it up because I don't care. Move forward, boom. Okay, switch cameras. There you go. Oh, and I just discovered that there are like a whole okay, so whole links of other things down there. Benefits, bookmark, resources, guarantee. I did not really notice this first. So okay, so this is the first interesting site I've landed onto that way. Let's move forward. Okay, now. Killer caught on camera, New York Post. Wanna try this one? Okay, so I don't really get, how do we know this is legit? Like, I know how to use the internet and I know how to build websites. I know how to make a web app. Okay, I'm gonna mute this video. I'm just gonna watch it. I know how to build web apps. I know how to build a website. I can access the dark web. This video is pretty much available on YouTube. Okay, so this is a YouTube link. So I can pretty much start this website. No, but he did shoot the person, but how do you know it's that person? Like, this could be like a regular person. How do you know it is this website that is making this kill? I could pretty much build a website like this. It would take me a few hours. Literally a few hours. I could spend a few dollars, like $20, to buy a hosting and a domain, and I could grab like 10 videos off of YouTube, and I could get stock imagery, and I could build a website like this. What's the guarantee? So for this, exactly for this, I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna open this. Okay. Let's read the payment process, because they call this link guarantee. So let's see. Okay, so nice point. I would really not do that. So let's move forward. Okay, would you like to end this broadcast? No, I would not like to end this broadcast. Why would you say that? Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, so you placed your order. Most killing jobs start at 5,000. Okay, I'll pay you 10,000. Let's move forward. Okay, so the only way I can know that this site really works is, Logan, give me your address. I'm gonna hire someone. Oh, give me your address and also give me $5,000, because I don't really have $5,000. I doubt I have $5 right now. I have this. Like, if you cut the 5, I have $0. I don't have that. Okay, give me your address. Give me $5,000, and I'm gonna hire someone from here, okay? And then they're gonna give me proof that Logan is dead. And I'm gonna tweet at you. Yes, exactly. You're gonna pay me $5,000 so I can hire a hitman to kill you. It's pretty simple. And it'll work. Okay, so this will how we'll check if it works or not, okay? And I'll tweet at you, and I'll wait 3 days for you to reply. And if you don't reply within 3 days, it means the site is legit, and I can do the next Periscope telling you that this site really works, and Logan was nice enough to sacrifice his life to test Besa Mafia for us. How about that? It seems like a great program. Okay, so by using our Bitcoin escrow, you will not be ripped off. Okay, when you guarantee this, okay, so when you guarantee this exact line, okay, so when I highlight it, it's hard to read it. This exact line makes sure that it ensures that this will be a scam. Okay, so they have benefits. They have a page. Really, they have a page named benefits. What are they gonna teach? Benefits of killing someone? Let's still read on. Okay, so exactly the point I just told you a few minutes ago. If you hire a hitman in the real world, you would need to go and check the gang members locally to get recommendations about some badass criminals who are able to do murder for hire. Okay, so use the power of the internet to get some badass criminals. Okay, awesome. Okay, so I think I said this a few minutes ago. Hiring a hitman, okay, so this line. Hiring a hitman on the deep web is safer because the hitman doesn't see you, doesn't see your face, and doesn't know who you are. He doesn't know your name, nor your address, nor your credit card, and your IP is hidden. But if you don't know what you're doing, your IP is not hidden. If the hitman gets caught, he cannot tell the police who hired him because he doesn't know it. Okay, so the point in here, he won't tell the police. Most of these sites are run by the FBI. Yeah, so like there's a pretty common case of a guy in England who was a fan of Breaking Bad. If you've seen Breaking Bad, you know what ricin is. So the guy was a fan of Breaking Bad, and again, like me, okay. So both of the things we have three things in similar. He was a Muslim. He was a fan of Breaking Bad, and he used to explore the deep/dark web, whatever you prefer. And curiosity. He was just curious, so he decided to find like ricin on the internet. He found it, and he was a little crazy, so he actually decided to order it. Rather than ricin, a few people from the British intelligence agency knocked on his door and took him with us. So rather than getting ricin, no, I think he received the ricin. I think he did receive the ricin, but I have no guarantee of that. I don't really remember that. I read it a long time ago. But basically the point is that that site was run by a policeman. And most of these sites are run by the police, the FBI. So when you actually place an order, you're gonna get attacked, and you're gonna do... Oh wait, there are pictures. Okay, boom, wow. I'm actually gonna bookmark this site because I want to be able to come back to this and check after how many days is it. Okay, so please let's really. Okay, so I don't know how to bookmark this page. Okay, so the shortcut is I'm gonna use a shortcut because I'm cool. Even though I opened up the page fully, I'm still gonna use the shortcut because I want to test it. Okay, so Control D, bookmarks menu. That's done. Okay, so and to show to you that I do not really bookmark and come here too often, I'm gonna... Okay, wrong page. You see, I can barely use this browser. I'm a Chrome user, man. I'm a Chrome user. I'm gonna... Where did that go? I opened it like a few minutes ago, man. Come on, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I want to see the bookmark bar, man. Come on. You can see that the hidden wiki is pretty much visible. Properties, okay, something like that. Oh my god, how did I really do it? I did it like a few minutes ago. Before I started streaming, I did that. So I bookmarked that, and I... Okay, so sorry for the struggle, but I'm still trying to find how I'm gonna do that. Oh, there you go. Boom, this was easy. And Best Mafia is gonna move up here. There you go. Okay, so finally I have linked two sites. Okay, so back to our home page. Okay, don't worry. I had to like explore one more thing here that I'm gonna show you all. And so okay, so just so you know, I'm on LAN. I'm not on Wi-Fi, and my sound is off. And it's 9:54 a.m. right now. I don't know why I showed you that, but I just wanted to, so I did. And I'm not removing these right now because they're hurting my ears, and I'm listening to nothing at all. As I just showed you. Okay, so now I know why I showed. Okay, so once I just really noticed one thing. There, these people have like images. Okay, so I'm gonna really close you up, and I'm sorry if you find this weird, but check this out. Images. But again, these could be just like, okay, I'm sorry if you guys cannot take this, real sorry, but I'm just gonna open. Okay, so it won't load it up. Your luck. I'm not gonna try too hard. And let's go to videos. Okay, so and I'm gonna watch another video, and let's see what happens. Okay, I watched this one like a minute ago. Oh my god. Okay, so what is happening? A car is standing, a car came in, and it moved back there. So that's the car that moved from here. Then another came and went somewhere here. That's another one that came there. There's another one right there. A guy went inside, and this is another guy. Another one back. Okay, so what is happening, man? Come on. Okay, another thing, if this was one of their guys. Okay, so let me first see who's the killer. Okay, so where is the killer? Where? Okay, so there's another car and there's another car. Oh, that one just left. And that one's still there, and a new car is coming in. What is happening? Oh, this guy came in from that car. What? I have no idea what's been happening till now. Okay, the video is still like, we still have like a minute more to go, so I don't know what's gonna happen in the next minute. Okay, so this guy is back. Okay, come on, do something, man, come on! Okay, I don't really want them to kill someone, but they are showing me a video of proof that they killed someone, and if I'm a potential buyer, like if I'm a potential client, I really wanna, and one thing, if I'm really hiring someone to kill, like I'm hiring a hitman, I doubt I'll be a very patient person. I doubt it. I won't really be a very patient person if I'm gonna be hiring a hitman. So okay, am I blind or something? Because I did not notice anything. So I'm gonna really watch the next video, and hopefully that might be something. Okay, so this one is named. Let me switch the camera back to the screen. Okay. So this one is named Russian serial killer shoots shop owner, and I'm gonna presume this is dead. Can I like go full screen or something like that? Actually, I don't really want to go full stream because this is a dark web, so let's work with this. Okay, so this was pretty to the point. Okay, wow. Wow. He just walked in and he took out a gun and pew, killed him. Wow. We do not want to watch that video very clearly, so let's move forward. And here's wife caught on cam trying to hire a hitman and to kill husband or something like that. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so Okay, so a killing video, they suggest reaction to Donald Trump. Okay, so I want to listen to this, so I'm gonna do that. Let's pause the video, and I want to listen to what they're gonna. Okay, it's a 13-minute video. It's really long, so I'm not gonna watch most of it. I'm just gonna hear the start, and I'm gonna really move it forward, and I'm going to dictate what they're saying. I'm not gonna play the video on speaker because I don't really want to. I'm gonna hear it on phone, and if you want to really watch the video, don't. And if you do, okay, just don't. Why would you want to watch the video? Exploring is amazing, but I generally do this because it's really fun. Like weird. Okay, mute is off, and now let's play the video. Okay, so she just told him that. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this here for a minute. So, from what I heard, the few seconds that I did listen to, there was a guy named Carlos, presumably her husband. She wants him dead for some reason. She told him he has to kill him on a Thursday, because then she really changed the statement. No, it could be a Thursday, Friday, or a Saturday, since he does not work anymore. I don't really know context. I don't know anything. I'm just in a few seconds that I listened to, and then she talked about. Okay, so this must be from context, since they must have said something before, or they must have said something on chat, because then the guy directly asks her, "How do you want to go about this?" And she says, "I'm gonna give him 7 to 8 grand, and I'm gonna presume some kind of poison or something, so it stays under 10 and every few weeks. And she wants his health insurance money. So when he dies from poison, she'll get his insurance money, and I guess that's what she really wants." I'm gonna listen a little more, and I'm gonna show you the video, and then let's see what's gonna happen move forward. Okay, so. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let me switch the camera again. There we go. So the update on the next few seconds is that she talks about she has a girlfriend that she wants to move in. She wants the girlfriend to move in with her after she's killed. Okay, so another thing, Carlos is not the person she has to kill. Carlos is a friend or someone who referred to her to this person. And okay, so another thing is that she wants. Okay, so she's gonna kill that guy or whatever his name is, and she wants him to be killed outside the house. And okay, so one thing that is really unclear to me right now is that does the girlfriend, the girl who's gonna move in with her, does she know she's killing that guy or not? Because she said something along the lines of that I do not want her to be scared knowing that he was killed in this house. Knowing he was killed in this house. So she knows. But she wants to make sure he's killed outside the house. And the guy says, I've done a few tasks like this before, and I can do it any way you want. And she said it's preferred that if you take him outside of the house, but if you don't, I don't mind. Okay, so I'm going to move the video forward a bit because it's a lot of chatting, and I don't really want to listen to a lot. I'm going to move forward. I'm going to go to 4 minutes 36 seconds. I jump forward 2 minutes, and let's see what's happening. Because I'm next update. Still, they continue talking about how they want to go about this killing, and I think they're settling on killing by. She's telling the guy to come into the house as a break-in, though she will provide him with a key, and she can kill the guy, and the guy demands from them. Okay, he doesn't talk about, and there's no talk about the money. Okay, so clearly no talk about money. So he tells her that he needs like a key to the house and a picture of the guy he wants to kill, so he does not kill the wrong person. Okay, so I really was looking at the video thumbnail, and moving on, the guy, some guy is talking to us. I think it's the same guy talking to her. He's going to say something. I'm going to listen to that now, and I'm going to show you the video, of course. Here we go. We're back. I'm going to play this. Okay, so exactly what I said a few minutes ago. Most of these sites are run by policemen, and this girl accidentally did land on someone who was a policeman, and the killer he was talking to was a policeman. And I don't know if he may be arrested later. I'm not going to listen to the whole video. It's 14 minutes. It's too long. Let's skip that. And the thing is that he was saying the exact thing I was gonna say. That girl is getting a person killed, and she's pretty happy about it. Like, she takes out a phone and she says, "You cannot kill him on this day. You can kill him on this day." And she checks, like, when you when you make a plan with a friend, you check your phone to see, "I'm free this day. Let's go this day." She's checking her phone to check when she's free and when is the guy free. So, like, the guy is her husband. That's pretty clear. So she can kill the guy, so that he can hire a hitman to kill the guy, and she can get the insurance money, and she can live a great life with, I don't know what kind of life that would be, but she wants to live a great life with her new girlfriend. Wow. So the type of people you can find everywhere. Okay, so the point of this video was, these people are trying to prove, okay, so this website, what they're trying to prove is that you should never, like, meet a hitman in person, because they can be policemen. What you should do is use this site. since it's totally anonymous and no one knows who you are, to hire hitmen. I'm sorry, but if you're hiring hitmen, you deserve to be caught. Pretty much. Okay, so moving on. I'm done with the site now, and I'm gonna move back to the hidden Mickey, and I'm gonna really let me switch the camera again. Boom. Sorry. Okay, hidden Mickey. Okay, so what I'm really gonna do is again, I'm gonna really use, this time I'm gonna use DuckDuckGo. Okay, so, oh yeah, and DuckDuckGo is available on the Surface Web if you're interested. I've used it a few times and it's not really bad. DuckDuckGo. So what else do you want to buy? Okay, so another thing that I saw in like Breaking Bad was that he hires a person to let him move, like change his identity. Pretty much complete identity change. The person is gonna make him disappear and give him a new identity. So I want to watch something like that on the deep web now. So I'm gonna do a search for that, and I'm gonna see what I get. If I'm successful, that would be great, and let's really move forward and see what happens. DuckDuckGo is right here. Such a handsome little duck, such a cute little duck. See? Okay, so we don't really care about the duck. We want to come here. Let's do this. Okay, so new. I'm really gonna go on pretty bare bones here. I'm gonna write a new identity. There you go. Oh wait. Oh no, I don't really want to track WikiHow. I don't want to try. Oh man, no. Okay, so torch. Okay, so DuckDuckGo pretty much was searching for the surface web. I do not need the surface web. This is what I'm gonna try. Let's go. Again, new identity. There you go, ads, people, ads. There you go. We found a few links. We found not a few links, but we found like 7,640 links. So that's pretty amazing. But I doubt I have enough time to go about those many links. So okay. So what I really wanted to check was pretty simple. I'm gonna open up my blog, my main blog, and I'm gonna see. Okay, so. Okay, so there you go. I'm gonna hit enter. So, alright. So most of you who do not know, I'm sorry, I didn't really plan this. I just wanted to check. Okay. Last night I wrote up this post about finally being 18 and legal on my 18th birthday. The post is up. It's not really a long post. It's a pretty short post. And the first note is pretty important. The second note will be removed once I add the images, since it got really late. It was 3 a.m. and I had to sleep. So I'm sorry for not adding the images on time, but I will change them. I'll add in the images later on. I just wanted to, okay, so what I wanted to check is that I just logged it, not open. I'm gonna really move along the website a bit. And then I'm gonna go to my Google Analytics, and not right now, off Periscope. I'll tweet it out, and I'm gonna check whether I was tracked or not, because I'm interested in that. Like, what does it display? Do I get a hit on the website, or I don't? So let's check that. I'm gonna close it right now, and of course I'm gonna also open up my second blog, which is pretty much all about code, and Okay, so right here it's loading up, but up here it shows about blank. I don't know. Okay, here we are. This site uses Google from Google. I got it. No problem. It's my own site. I trust it. Da. Okay, so I've searched around a bit. I'm gonna open up this post. I've done enough things. Okay, I've done enough stuff. I'm gonna change the page, and I'm gonna close it down. That's done. Okay, so okay, so problem loading page. What's the point? Okay, so I'm gonna go back to using that initial search engine that I used, which was Sindbad search, because what I found interesting in Sindbad search was that, okay, so it actually told me that when was the site last active. So let's really do this. Okay, so new identity. Okay, I'm gonna add in another word now to like minimize the number of results. That's service, so I get more specific results. And I'm just gonna check really quick about everything that really happens. Okay, thank you. I've got quite a few notifications. So. Okay, so online, get your fake passport in. Okay, so I hope this works. So, okay, here we are. Okay. Oh, Canada. Wanna shift to Canada? Because they got a passport for 2,500 euros. Again. 2,500 euros. That's a lot of money, man. Come on. That's a lot of money. 2,500 euros. Oh, wait. No way. Okay. I almost like lost it here, but because that card looked like really similar to like a Pakistani identity card, and I was just wondering, the world does not, nobody wants to be a Pakistani except for those who are Pakistani. I love being Pakistani, but from those people living outside, they think that we are like a terrorist nation. That it's, from what I've known from the last few months I've been streaming on Periscope and the few years, like the 7 or 8 years I've been on the internet, I found that people really take Pakistan to be a really dangerous place. No one would want an identity card in Pakistan unless it's an agent, and just like the one we caught recently. So, I'm gonna have to report this to the government. The government is gonna do nothing about this because I know, and I'm not gonna report this to the government. And if you want to report me to the government, please do so, because I will. Let's move forward because I've done enough faces now. I could use this, man, because I don't want to go through the process of giving the driving test, then failing, then giving it again, then failing, then giving it again until they eventually pass me. Why not just really spend 1,000 euros and get a car? No thanks. I'd give my driving test like 1,000 times before spending this kind of money. And pretty much it's UK. Hmm. Let's leave that. Okay, so oh, they have these people have special pages. Hmm. Powered by Tor Shops. Shipping cost is free. Okay, so they're shipping from Germany. Uh, okay, so I finally get what their system is because I was really trying to. For the last few minutes, I was wondering how the system is gonna work, and now I have it. Okay, so here's the thing. Uh, though there. Okay, so first of all, my hands are getting tired, so I'm gonna really put this somewhere around here. Come on, come on. Oh my god, putting this on a stand is like the most difficult thing ever. There you go. Okay. So how it works. Let's say you're someone who needs a new identity. And I'm someone, I'm a person living in Pakistan who has nothing to do with the deep web. Weird example, Pakistan, right? Who has nothing to do with the deep web, with the dark web, anything at all. Maybe I'm not even tech savvy enough to know what the deep web is. And you come along and you ask for an ID. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna scan the database. They must have hacked it or something like that. I don't know. It could be anything. I don't work for them. Please don't sue me. Please don't catch me. They're gonna like some way get my data, give you a card with your picture on it, but my data on it. Okay, so my name. So the name might be Amar Ali Shah, and the birthday might be mine, but the picture on it will be yours. And they're gonna give you that card, give you that passport, and you're gonna travel the world using my name. Bad you. But what they want you to do is they want you to avoid using it in the same, like I'm in Pakistan, so they're gonna like avoid using it in Pakistan because then I'm in Pakistan and I have my own ID card, and then you're in Pakistan and you have my ID card. So that will be a problem for you since I have like 1,000 people to testify for me. If this wasn't live, you can cue like some glasses dropping in and the music for Thug Life playing behind me. And but for you, okay, so back to topic. But for you, you have no one, and you're gonna pretty much get caught, and you're gonna be in jail. And I've never been to jail, but I'm gonna presume it's not really an amazing place, unless you've been to jail and it was an amazing place. And if it was, please let me know. Please send me an email. You can find contact information on my website. Send me an email, man. You've been places, and I want to know how it's been. Okay, so about this, and I'm gonna really move away from this for a few minutes just to really talk about this. Like, I read a book. I do not really remember the name of the book. I could do a quick Google search for it because why not? But it was something like it was like some writer who went to prison. Okay, I have no background context, anything. I don't know anything about it, but oh wait, no, there's like a pretty book. So he was some kind of writer. Okay, found it. It's called the series is called A Prison Diary, and the prison is called The author is Jeffrey Archer. Okay, so. Okay, so I'm gonna really read about this, and I'm gonna let you know later on. But basically, what was the book about? That he went to jail, and he dictated everything about the jail, and the jail the jail that was dictated in that book seemed pretty awesome. Like, there were nice people. He made friends. He found artists that drew like drawings for him for the book. Uh, he used to play cards, and he did all sorts of funny stuff, like amazing things with those people, and it was really amazing. Like, who would want to go to jail like that, man? Come on, no. Jail would still be awful, thinking that you would be bound or something. But if you are going to jail, I prefer the jail he went to any other jail, because I don't know. And okay, so frequently asked questions. Maybe in the frequently asked questions on his website, there may be something about that thing or something. So I'm gonna really more on the jail thing. Okay, so what? Ugh. Now I'm curious, and I'm gonna Google it. I'm sorry, I'm really stepping away from the deep web to the surface web. Yeah, and I'm not gonna really change this right now for a few minutes because it's really hard to set it up. Okay, it might seem easy, but it's not. To do this, like set it up like this, to put it up on a stand, is not easy for me to do. And while I am here on the surface web, I'm just gonna check for a minute how the stream is going, because today I did not really check how the stream is going, so I'm gonna really go check right now. Okay, so I got that I'm live. Awesome. And there you go, I can see my video now. Not bad, not bad. It works. I'm gonna tweet out this link because oh, sorry I dropped all of you. And okay, so since there is lag, like there's like difference between different, so I'm gonna see myself dropping this right now. Oh, there you go. Okay, so I'm gonna close it. I'm done with this. Oh, okay. Bless me. Okay, so I'm back to the deep web. I'm gonna explore. That question is gonna be in my mind, and I'm gonna explore it later. And also, I have to end the stream, so I'm gonna really quickly go through some other sites so we can get this done. Okay, let me really find something like this. Okay, so I'm gonna close my Periscope because it's annoying listening to yourself on, like, speaking and then listening to yourself a few minutes later. It's annoying to me, and I'm gonna really close it right now, and boom, it's gone. Now I cannot listen to myself. So I'm sorry, that's my little Twitter. Well, since we are here now, I don't really care. Follow me on Twitter, guys. It's AmarLShake. I mostly follow back. And I don't really have a lot of followers. Help me grow, people. Help me grow. I just have 764 followers. Help me grow on Twitter. Thank you for following me. Thank you for taking the time. And we are back on the dark web. I'm going to really hit that first. And now I'm going to really move along there. Okay, so maybe one last site or maybe two, and then we are done. So one thing that is pretty common. So the hidden wiki has a link to the hidden wiki. Why? So I'm sorry, again, curiosity, and I'm gonna really go view that hidden wiki and see what's the difference in there. Okay, so this one and the one I have are like different ones. There you go. This one is like KPV, and the one I have is ZQ something. Okay, so let's see if they have the hidden wiki link over here. I'm sorry, I'm really gonna explore this. Why do these sites link to themselves? The hidden wiki, more orderly and updated. Spooky. But let's see what they wanna say. Problem loading page. Try again. Problem loading page still. First of all, I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to do this. Hey, come on. So this one seems like, this one is like a bigger site, okay? See? CC dump. It's a bigger site. It has more links. It has more stuff. I don't know why I explored this in the last few minutes. Okay, so I guess we can explore. Okay, so I think I'm done. Okay, guys, so I'm done for the day for the scope. Pretty much, I think like we can. Let me put you guys back around here again. Sorry. Oh, no, not this time. Okay, this should really work. So, what I was really talking about is that I'm done for the day. I just found the second link to the hidden wiki, which had more links than the previous one. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to explore that hidden wiki later on. Maybe on YouTube. I don't know. If you follow me on Twitter, you will always know where I am. If I'm live on Periscope, there's going to be a tweet link. If I'm live on using Hangouts Live, there's going to be a tweeted link. If I'm live on YouNow, there's going to be a tweeted link. There's going to be a tweet about it if you follow me on Twitter. So, follow me on Twitter. My Twitter is at AmmarAlishaK. It is the same as my Periscope, and here it is. This is my Twitter. You can. Here's my signature image that is with everyone. It's an image from 2014. Here you go. I only have 764. Please, people, let's take this to at least a K first. Let's for starters, hit me at a K followers. And okay, so don't forget to follow me on Periscope for our AMAs. Funny, I love to talk, and this is the first thing that I did related to a computer. And if you want, I could do more text-related stuff. If you want me to do something else, you could also tweet at me, and I will reply. We can really manage out what Periscope you want. Now I'm gonna end this, and I'm gonna do part 2 of this exploring, and we are gonna see what's up with that. Okay, guys, bye. Have a good day. Have a good rest of the day. It's only 10:30 a.m. right here, so we still have the whole day left. It's Friday. Happy Friday to you all. If it's Thursday night for you too, happy Thursday night for you. Hope you have a great day. Hope you have a great night. Goodbye. And please come back and don't forget to follow. Bye, everyone.